Well, hello, and thanks for clicking on the link to this quick video looking at Intuit Online Payroll and some of the functionality. In this case, we're going to talk about the integration with QuickBooks Desktop product and how the checks and the tax payments go from Intuit Online Payroll to your QuickBooks Desktop company file. In that case, I'm using QuickBooks Accountant Edition, could be Pro, could be Enterprise. And you'll see I'm on my Create Paycheck window, but before I even create the paychecks and send it over, you got to click on Setup in Intuit Online Payroll, as you're seeing there on my screen. And you're going to go under Preferences, Export. Right? And here is where you would connect to your accounting software. Now, it does not have to be QuickBooks for Desktop. So if you have QuickBooks for Mac, or the Online Edition, or Windows, and there's two ways with Windows. Through it will create either an IIF file that you can import into your QuickBooks Desktop file by going to File Utilities, Import IIF Files, or the much faster and slicker one-click that just installs a little utility and it does it for you kind of behind the scenes. And I'm going to do it that way, of course. But here's where you'd go to set up the integration for Mac or QBO or any other type of these supported accounting software packages. It's kind of the nice thing about Intuit Online Payroll is it's not just QuickBooks dependent. Okay, so I'm going to stay with a one-click, and you connect to the file here. You'll even have to download and install the little one-click. You'll see over here my executable. I've already installed it. Just puts it on your program and features list. You do need IE. I'd say 8 at least, or 7 or 8 anyway. And of course the desktop solutions, including Pro, Premier, or Enterprise. You choose the checking account, and here are the default accounts that I have there. And I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Now, let's go back to payday. You guys can kind of see that as well. And I'm just going to do a payday for here, Isaac, and then Melissa. We'll just make it simple. Okay, one's salaried, one's hourly. You can put in, it tracks, of course, into an online payroll. We'll go over that in a different video, overtime, sick pay, all the different compensation items, etc. You can look at all items here that you have available and have set up, for this particular employee. You do it by employee, right? So it's a simple setup wizard. And I'm going to go ahead and create the actual paychecks now. And go ahead and approve them. You can edit them here. Right. Look at the details if you want to see what the check looks like. Right. There's a paycheck. Very good. And I'm going to go ahead and approve them and continue on and skip the check numbers, but you can enter them here, continue, and eventually you'll get to a place where you want to export to QuickBooks. So here's the option. Click Export, and it's going to open up my one-click. And congratulations, your payroll data has been successfully exported. I mean, that's how easy it is going to the QuickBooks Desktop Edition. Click, and you can email them to your clients, your employees, or have them actually just go to paycheckrecords.com and see the actual pay stubs there. And I can run a report from here. So I'm going to go back to, now I'm going to go to Tax and Forms. Now let's look at the QuickBooks here. If we go into Banking, use Register, and Checking Register, you'll see that 2 checks were created. Let's pick on Ray Isaac here. And there's the information that came over from Intuit Online Payroll. So once you have the one-click set up, or you choose the IIF format, it's really easy then to export the payroll transactions, whether they're tax payments or paychecks, from Intuit Online Payroll to your QuickBooks Desktop Windows company file. I hope that was helpful, and you guys have a pleasant day there.